Whenever I watch a historical documentary, I wonder how the filmmakers bring the past to life so well. Well, now you can do it too. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own historical documentaries using AI tools. I'll cover everything from script writing to animation. So the first step is to get a script. For that, I'll simply go to GPT and use this prompt. Write a short summary of Hitler, rise and fall, including his early life, how he gained power, the impact of his rule, World War II, the Holocaust, and his downfall. Add a brief introduction and his legacy. So you can easily get a script on any other topic besides Hitler. So you can see that I got a short script here because I asked for a short one, but these types of videos are usually long. So you'll need to ask GPT for a detailed script. And now I'll give GPT another prompt. Give me detailed text to image generator prompt for each scene of this script. So you can see that it has given me detailed prompts for image generation, which has made our work very easy. So now we'll simply need to go to any image generation tool and generate our images. For image generation, you can use any tool. Today I'm using Playground AI. So after going to this website, simply click on create and you'll reach the next page. Here we need to enter our prompt. We can apply filters from here and choose our aspect ratio from this section. The number of images is set to 4 by default. So first of all, I'll generate my first prompt and show it. So I'll copy my first prompt and paste it here. After that, I'll add a filter. I'm selecting a realistic stock photo here and I need an aspect ratio of 16:9. So I'll select that and generate it. You can see that I've got some very amazing images of Hitler here. I'll show you this prompt by generating it in and the filters as well. So as you can see, I generated images using a different filters as well. So I've created all my images in this way and I'll download the ones I like. So my images are ready and the next step is to convert these images into videos. So today for animation, I'll use Luma Lab. So simply come to this website, sign in, and after that, we'll see an interface like this. Here you can work in both the ways. You can also generate a video by giving a prompt, but I feel that if a video is generated from an image, then the result is better. So currently I have 19 generations left because I used quite a few for generating. So for animation, click on the image icon and select your downloaded image. There's a special feature here. When you select an image, you get an additional option for an end frame. This means you can merge two images into one video. So there's also a prompt section available here where you can add a prompt. I've tried both adding and not adding a prompt, and I didn't notice much difference. So for now, I'll add slow and pan zoom and click generate. So due to high demand, this website is taking a while to convert images into videos. While we wait, let's check out another website for generating videos, which is Runway ML. So to generate an image to video, select this option. Here you need to drag and drop your image. You'll find many camera control options, but for now, I'll use the same prompt, pan and zoom, that I used in Luma Labs and click generate. So my video on the runway has been generated. Let's check it out. So here you can see that the background is quite good, but where pan and zoom that we gave to it as camera movement have to not be added in it. So now let us also check our Luma Labs generated video. So I'll tell you that I used these two images here, after which we got this video. So you can see the difference between the two videos. So choose the video generation tool you prefer and generate your videos from there. So I've generated videos from both websites. So for the third step, which is voiceover, I'll use 11 Labs as usual. So simply go to GPT, copy your script and paste it in the speech box here. I'll remove the headings and then select the voice from here, generate the voiceover and then download it. So now that everything is ready, we'll move on to the final step, which is editing. So first import all your videos and voiceover into the editing tool. So first import the voiceover into the timeline, then adjust your videos according to the voiceover. So I'll increase its size till its watermark is hidden, and now I'll apply dissolve transitions here and add auto enhance effect. So after this, we'll apply a nice background music and sound effects. If you want, you can also add subtitles here and then simply export it. So let's go and see the final result.
Adolf Hitler, leader of the Nazi Party and dictator of Germany, left an indelible mark on history through his role in World War II and the Holocaust. Born in 1889 in Austria, Hitler's failed dreams of becoming an artist and his experiences in Vienna shaped his extreme ideologies. After World War I, Hitler joined the Nazi Party, quickly rising to prominence with his powerful oratory. Exploiting Germany's economic woes, he became chancellor in 1933 and established a totalitarian regime. Hitler's government enforced racial laws, leading to widespread persecution, particularly against Jews, setting the stage for the Holocaust. Hitler's invasion of Poland in 1939 sparked World War II. Early victories were reversed by defeats in Stalingrad and Normandy, leading to massive devastation. The Holocaust saw the systematic extermination of 6 million Jews and millions of others in concentration camps. A horrific chapter in human history. By 1945, Germany was collapsing. Hitler committed suicide on April 30th, 1945, as Allied forces closed in on Berlin. Hitler's legacy is one of unprecedented destruction. His actions led to the formation of international bodies aimed at preventing future atrocities. Understanding his rise and fall is crucial to preventing history from repeating itself.
So today, we learned how to create an impressive historical documentary using AI tools in a simple and creative way. From script writing to image generation and animation, everything can be smooth and engaging. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments which historical figure or event you'd like to see in a documentary. I look forward to your suggestions and will include them in future videos. So spark your creativity and bring history to life with new colors.